Oh, is he starting to like it now? More. He's saying more, Kim. He could say more. He's saying more. Friend for life.
Here you go.
We're gonna have to tell Pop to buy another Slurpee when he goes.
Yeah, for Kev.
How's that, Kev? How's everything, Kev?
Now, aim this way. Aim behind.
Wait, I'm getting little pictures of Kev. Having his first Slurpee.
Isn't that great? Kev, how's everything, hon?
How's everything, Kev? Good.
Ooh, can you say Slurpee? Oh, that was good. Did you get that?
Got it.
That was a good one. Very cold? Oh, he just keeps coming back for more.
Do daddy, do daddy.
It's being a monkey. Here we go.
His mouth got used to the temperature now. Is it getting a little cooler now?
It's not. Ow! That's nice now. I tell you something. I want to tell you a joke about a video camera. Okay?
No, just leave the
Why do firemen wear red suspenders?
Why?
So their pants won't fall down.
That's a good idea.
Pop?
David, tell me about golfers. Why do golfers wear 2 pairs of pants?
In case they get all this mud. Why did Mickey Mouse go to space?
I don't know. Why?
Flying Pluto. Why is it my turn?
Oh, your turn. Go ahead, Kim.
Why did,
The chicken crossed the road.
No. Why did the chicken never cross the road?
Why?
Because he was a chicken.
Oh,
Why did
Keep the hose in.
Why did Katie put tape on David's mouth?
I don't know.
Because he was a chatterbox! I don't want to get wet.
Okay. And what's your joke?
I got a joke.
David, it's your turn. What's the joke?
Why did Mickey Mouse go to space?
Why?
To find Pluto.
Oh, okay.
What's the biggest planet?
I don't know.
Jupiter. What's
Is
the
it?
smallest planet?
I don't know.
Pluto.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You know what? Kitty's on a plane, so that's it.
Really?
No, a comet. Oh yeah, a comet.
A comet?
Yeah.
Well, that's cleanser. That's what we clean our cabinets with, right?
No, comet.
Yeah.
You know, shooting star.
Oh, isn't a comet what we clean our cabinets with and or sinks and stuff with?
No.
No?
A shooting star. It went zoom, and I jumped in the air and I turned white and it went ah.
Keep the hose down.
Leave the hose down, Uncle Wayne said. Want to make bubbles?
You could pretend it's a water fountain and get a drink of water.
Sure. Here, drink out of the water fountain. Wait, I want to drink it out myself.
Yeah, the person that's doing the fountain holds it themselves. That's the best way.
Wait, hose water. What's that? I can tell my friends you guys drink hose water.
Is that good?
One day? Yeah. That's what the wheel did. That is what the wheel did.
Let me see what the wheel did. What'd the wheel do?
Watch out for Willie. Watch out for Willie.
Is that what the whale did?
Really did.
They do. And he held his nose? I never...
Oh, this is what Willie did. What?
Let me see.
Big flashes like Willie.
Free Willie. That's what you know he did. He did that. Want me to do it again?
Yeah.
Do it like up in the water.
Yeah?
And he was like, because his friend was mad at him.
Yeah, and then what'd he do?
This is what Willie did. They had to get him out of tag, and the water was. This is what Willie did. About that long.
Yeah, and then what happened?
Uncle Wayne.
Yeah?
Uncle Wayne, that's what Willie did. And he was
Okay.
saving the whale.
All right, Kimmy's gonna show me, and then you show me. And then then you show me. What'd Willie do?
Kimberly, let's pretend that we're all whales. Willie. Let's pretend that we're all whales. I'll be Willie.
Yeah, you guys will all be whales.
I'm a killer whale. I'm a killer whale that's Willie. An orca, to be precise.
Yeah. She has that video, she has that show at 4:30, Orca Winfrey. I know her.
His best friend, he sunk, and
Oh, Wilbait.
Uncle
There's
Wayne.
Wilbait. Watch out, Kev. There's all these killer whales around.
My goodness.
This is what Willie did. Watch.
Minnow on the starboard.
This is what Willie did. Watch.
Okay.
His fin was flaming. His friend fell in the water, and Willie saved him.
Huh?
You know what? This is gonna be just like. Watch. Let me do it again.
Okay, let me see.
You want to see an encore of
I
that?
want to see. I want to see the acorn.
I want this. It's gonna be a. Yeah.
Okay, Kim.
Throw it
This is
in.
what Willie did also. Okay.
Okay, show me.
On the table.
Oh, he spit water out?
Your sock.
Out his blowhole?
Watch my blowhole.
Okay, let me see. Oh, that's a good blowhole.
You know what Willie did?
What did Willie did?
He goes like this.
Up there goes that minnow again.
It went like this.
Still going.
It went like this. Yeah, it went like this. He went like this.
Hey, minnow. Hey, minnow.
Girls and lobsters, you want to know what they look like?
Yeah, let me see.
They're...
I think you're a basketballosaurus
No, I'm a girl.
or a Dolly Partonsaurus.
You know why I'm with the lobstersaurus? Watch this.
And
okay?
what's that?
Okay, and Kimberly, what kind of saurus are you?
She's a snorkelsaurus.
No.
You're not.
I'm Free Will.
You're a Free Willy.
Yes, and then I'm
You're-
Free Willy too.
Oh, you're Free Willy
no,
too?
you're Willy, Kim. His name isn't Free Willy. His name's Willy. Yeah, I can call him that.
What kind of saurus are you, David?
I'm Free Willy.
Oh, you're Free Willy. Okay.
I'm Willy-saurus. Watch this. I'm David's girlfriend, Free Willy.
Oh, wow.
And Katie too. No, I'm a girl with a lobstersaurus.
Yeah, she's a
See
girl.
my big boobies?
Or, yeah, a Dolly Partonsaurus.
No, and watch it upside down.
Let me see. Oh.
I spit poison, my shield goes up like this.
Oh, okay.
And that's what a real, the such things that the officer says up, it doesn't have
It
to
looks
be.
very dangerous. Are you very dangerous?
Yes, I could kill you.
Oh, no, don't do that.
I will.
No, please.
Yes.
Please don't.
My cat.
Oh, you're the village people then.
Yeah. No, we're the giants that build it. Yeah, and all the people have to be shipwrecked until the village is done.
Oh, okay.
Will you not tell him that there's gonna be a palace? Why? Yeah, because the palace is right here. Look, Kim, when you're ready to lift it up, go ahead and you can make more palaces. No. When our villages, you take all our tops off. You take all our tops off, Kim, when the village is ready. Yep. Okay. So when we're done, we'll tell you. We'll take all the tops off, and you can see what our village really comes like. If you want, you can stick around a while and see the real creation. David! Not the screaming. I want that. Here comes another castle. David! Now we have to make it all over again. Hi, everybody. Daddy. I'm the director of the show. I'll guide you throughout the whole program.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
My name is Kate.
Oh, thanks, Kate.
And I am another builder.
And what's your name?
And my name is Kim. And you should just think to our cat, Bandit.
Okay. And how about, what's this other person? What's his name?
David.
Oh,
He's our boyfriend, actually.
Oh, okay. But he's very busy, huh?
Yeah. We're all very busy. If you want, you can stick around, or stay. It's your choice. Hi! And here's David and Kimberly. Wait, here's the Chris Castle. What they've lifted up. Hooray!
Oh, it's so beautiful.
And here's the second castle.
Oh, let me see.
Hooray! And
Hooray,
here's the
it's
third
beautiful.
castle. Hooray! Here's the next castle. Hooray!
Oh, they're...
Where's the next castle? Hooray! Where's the king and queen's castle? There! Hooray! Next, here's some houses. And hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Oh.
And here's our village.
Oh, you did such a beautiful job.
Now we may dance. Now Now crash 'em! Crash! Crash time.
Oh, okay, crash 'em.
Crush them, crushing them. Thank you, Bacon. Now, how was your little tour? We're going to be making something else, so see you real soon.
Okay, we'll see you soon. Say bye, Dave.
Still have the video
Dave, say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera. No.
Party on.
Excellent. Come here, everybody. We have something to show you.
Okay.
Newsflash.
Hey, some babes. Oh, they're babelicious. In fact, if they were presidents, they'd be Abraham Lincoln.
Close up.
Close up. Ah! Close up. Close up. Oh, where's Dave? Close up. Ah! Close up. Close up. Ah!
Hey, come here. We have a newsflash. Science newsflash. Today, the volcano erupting, leaving a big hole in the road.
Oh, look.
And everyone got
Is Mr.
stuck.
Bill in there? Oh, no. Oh, no, I was in this car driving and, oh, no, I'm in a hole. Somebody help me.
Kelly's in her car.
Kelly's in there? I'll help her out.
Uh-oh. Here comes David.
Where's Garth?
Oh, he's down discussing the weather. Today was a very sunny day.
Oh. What do you think, Dave?
Hey, guess what, everybody?
What?
Guess what time it is?
What time is it?
Pine Rice.
Oh, no, you got sand on the camera. Don't do that.
Hi.
Hi.
If you were President, you would be
Babelicious.
Abraham Lincoln.
Yeah, Abraham Lincoln.
Close up, close
Close
up.